Amar. Give me a cheer if anybody's watched any of my videos there. Ha, thanks. That was just the right response. I've been doing comedy for a while. 5-6 years, around that. So मेरे channel पे about 3 million hits हैं, which is about 30 lakhs. और वो सारे लोग कोविड में मरे. तो इसलिए मुझे पता है आप लोगों ने मेरे वीडियो नहीं देखे क्योंकि वो लोग हैं नहीं अब. Yeah, but yeah, I'm quite famous. I'm a famous comedian. Like I'm so famous. My name is on India Gate. Amar Jawan Jyoti. Unfortunately, Jyoti and I are not together anymore because she wasn't Jawan anymore. It's hard to have my name, right? मेरा नाम क्योंकि बॉलीवुड ने भी स्क्रू कर रखा है. काफ़ी तरीके से मेरा नाम स्क्रू हुआ पड़ा. लाइक जैसे मैं लोगों को अपना नाम बताता हूँ, मेरा नाम अमर है, तो लोग कहते हैं अकबर एंथनी का. लाइक बॉलीवुड ने भी स्क्रू कर रखा है. एक्चुअली जब से 2014 इलेक्शन हुए, अकबर एंथनी दोनों गायब हैं. काफ़ी परेशान ढूंढ के. सी माहौल थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, राइट? इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू सर्टन जोक्स. लाइक यही अमर जवान ज्योति वाला जोक मैं शो में कर रहा था और वहाँ पे कोई जर्नलिस्ट बैठी थी अपेरेंटली रिपब्लिक चैनल की और वो गुस्सा हुई कि आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, वो वहाँ पे जवानों के लिए लिखा है. मैं और डर गया. मैंने कहा सॉरी, मैं जवानों के बारे में सोचा नहीं. वो और गुस्सा हो गया, आपने जवानों के बारे में क्यों सोचा. तो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू डू सर्टन जोक्स, राइट? मैं नाम्स के बारे में नेम्स के बारे में काफ़ी सोचता हूँ, राइट? आई थिंक नेम्स अ लॉट ऑफ नेम्स मेक नो सेंस, राइट? व्हाट्स योर नेम? अंकुर. अंकुर का तो मतलब होता है, अंकुर इज अ फ्लावर, राइट?
It kind of seed.
It's a seed, yeah, which you've grown out of, right? You're not an Ankur anymore. Who are you with? That's your wife?
No, she's my friend.
Oh, she's your friend, okay. And what's your name? हाँ, पूजा. पूजा आप लोगों का सिंपल नाम है, राइट? You guys आपके पेरेंट्स से कुछ ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं की नाम रखते हैं. What's your name, buddy?
Pratik.
हाँ, what do you do, Pratik?
Job.
Give it up for Pratik. He does job. बाकी सारे लोग यहाँ पे masturbate करते हैं सारे. You look very serious. Are you happy? Like some people come to shows like मुझे हंसा के दिखाओ. मुझे मेरे खानदान में किसी ने कोई नहीं हंसा पाया. तू कैसे हंसा ले मुझे? It's hard. You see, comedy is hard. I've been doing comedy for a while, and the thing is now you guys realize a lot of people are trying comedy now, like because it's on YouTube. It's like literally in the mainstream. So a lot of people are trying comedy because people watch it on YouTube and they're like, ये तो मैं भी कर लूँगा. In that sense, comedy is quite like porn. You watch it and you like it, तो मैं भी कर लूँगा. But when you get down to doing it, कभी delivery ठीक नहीं बैठती है, कभी position. It's as hard as that. If you want to be a porn star, for example, I'm just saying, one, you can't, right? Secondly, it's harder, right? For example, it's harder to become a porn star than a comedian, right? It's fucking hard. Like for example, if you're developing content, you started discussing opportunities. So I think about names a lot, right? For example, some of the names are pretty weird. Any Amits or Nehas here? Any Amits or Neha? No Amits or Neha? Yeah? I know a lot of Amits and Neha, which is surprising. No Amits or Neha, right? Like मेरे बहुत सारे लोगों मेरे फ़ोन में 10 अमित सेव्ड हैं, 10 नेहा सेव्ड हैं. अमित बार्बर, अमित पोछे वाला, अमित झाड़ू वाला, अमित ये वाला, नेहा पोछे वाली, नेहा स्पा वाली, नेहा घर वाली है. मतलब like I have so many Amits and Nehas saved on my phone and I get confused. You know, the other day I met my friend Amit and and I asked him, so how's the baby doing? And he looks at me and says, what baby? I said, you recently had a baby with your wife Neha, right? We were in the bar, bottle लेके मेरे पीछे भाग गया. नेहा मेरी बहन है. तेरा नाम क्या है? विनीत. हाँ? विनीत. Vineet means something. Humble, right? Yeah, you are humble. You look pretty humble. You're sitting in shorts. I generally, one of the problems with me and my life is also, you know, I go around like this in shorts. I connect with people in shorts. No, I'm not suggesting porn, okay? I'm not suggesting we try anything, right? But I generally go around in shorts around the country. And the thing is, this is how I like dressing up, right? But India में लोग ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनते. India में this is not the trend, right? The other day I took a flight, okay, and I got down and I'm looking for the Uber. एंड आई एम लाइक मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. एंड वो कहता है सर आप मुझे दिख रहे हो, आप वो कच्चे में खड़े हो. एंड आई लुक डाउन, आई एम लाइक यार कच्चा तो नहीं है. व्हाट्स योर नेम? हाँ, व्हाट? What the fuck, man? Seriously, are you joking or that's your name? Oh, we got a Mona Lisa in Gurgaon at midnight show, right? Like sometimes our parents give us names which make no sense, right? Like I was working and there's a guy I used to work with. He would come to office, stay quiet the whole day, and leave. His name was Kranti. Like Kranti was the most shy guy in the office. Like Kranti office आता था चला, लोग कहते थे क्रांति आई कब चली गई. किसी को पता नहीं चला. Right, it's weird, right? People give, like my friend, she's had a daughter recently, Ankur. She has named her daughter Ardhangani. Fucking Ardhangani, right? No, Ardhangani means a wife. No, Ardhangani, मान लो स्कूल जा रहे हो, सारे लड़के एक दूसरा लड़ रहे हैं. मेरी Ardhangani. नहीं है मेरी Ardhangani. It's quite fucked up, right? Like people fuck up names in so many ways, right? For example, nicknames का otherwise कोई मतलब नहीं होता. Like first names के साथ तो फिर भी parents effort लगाते हैं. Like nicknames का कोई, you have a nickname, Mona Lisa?
खुशहाली.
Dude, your both names are messed up. There's no connection between the first name and the nickname. Otherwise, कुछ say, Ankur, do you have a nickname? You don't. Nobody loves you anyway. Yeah, yeah. Well, nicknames generally make no sense because parents उसमें effort नहीं लगाते, right? Like my nickname is Jugnu. My nickname is Jugnu. Now Jugnu means a firefly in English. Now if it meant something, I'm supposed to have a tube light in my ass. Right? Which I don't. I've checked. Right? That means everything that I'm saying is misleading. You guys understand misleading or are you BJP supporters? I'm scared of doing these shows. किसी ने अंदर खाकी कच्छा पहना तो like life over comedy guys. नाम ही बहुत complicated चीज़ है. For example मेरा पूरा नाम अमरजीत सिंह है. मैं बताते ही लोग. Because the moment I tell people my full name, they're like, सर आप सरदार हो चक दे पट्टे. हम लोग उल्लू दे पट्टे इसी वजह से बता नहीं रहा. I'm from Gurgaon. People who are localites in Gurgaon give me a cheer. I'm a Gurgaon guy, like a localite. Localites in Gurgaon. You guys belong to Gurgaon. Mona Lisa, you born in Gurgaon.
I was born in West Bengal. I've lived 23 years.
Thank God, right? Otherwise, I was hoping she'd say I was born in Rohtak. And somebody named me Mona Lisa in Rohtak. Wow. So you're born in West Bengal, right? Like, but do you like Gurgaon? What do you like about Gurgaon?
My friends.
You have friends in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So you like your friends. Who else said they are localites in Gurgaon? You are a localite. What do you like about Gurgaon?
I think I've seen it growing, so
Yeah. You've seen it growing. That's what. काफी बड़ा हो गया आपके साथ. Yeah. I'm a localite in Gurgaon. Like I literally grown up here. I like a lot of things about Gurgaon, right? For example, I grew up in the old Gurgaon. I grew up in the older part of Gurgaon. वहाँ पे एक सिनेमा है, राज सिनेमा. वहाँ पे मूवीज देखते के बड़ा हुआ मैं. Like तड़पती बीवी, प्यासी जवानी तंबू में बम्बू. Yeah, I literally grew up there. I also like Sahara Mall a lot. सहारा मॉल ने काफी लोगों को सहारा दिया है. I've been doing this joke for a while, but तुम लोगों ने कौन से मेरे जोक सुने हो? Yeah. Also like the spas in Gurgaon. I don't know. आपका नाम क्या है? पता नहीं आपको क्यों देख के स्पा का ध्यान आ रहा है. What's your name, buddy? नाम बता दे यार. रजत. Do you go to spas, Rajat? चल ठीक है कोई. You look like 4 seconds you already think about it, right? I'm a spa connoisseur. You understand what a connoisseur is? Connoisseur is like who's like, for example, a food connoisseur is like different kinds of food. Yeah, so I'm a spa connoisseur. So I go to spas, right, Rajat? I like it, you know. But the thing is when I go to spa, like some of my female friends, they get really surprised. They're like, तू spa जाता है? तू अनजान लड़कियों से मसाज कराता है? हमने कहा जाना पड़ता है, जान पहचान वाली करती नहीं. I've also seen Gurgaon like change a lot, right? Gurgaon में काफी नई चीजें आ रही हैं. Like the new Gurgaon is great, right? Like there are a lot of liquor shops. A lot of people talk about कि काफी दारू मिलती है यहाँ पे. हर कोने पे दारू मिल जाती है, which is true. There are a lot of pet shops also coming up. वह लोगों के पास पैसा है, they have dogs like cats and all that, right? So a lot of liquor shops, there are a lot of pet shops. Liquor shops, pet shops. So the future of Gurgaon is Bevde Kutte. That's where Gurgaon is headed. Yeah. So yeah, I'm the Gurgaon guy. I grew up in Gurgaon. Do you guys, any of you people, any LGBT people give me a cheer? That's very smooth transition from Gurgaon to LGBT. Yeah, no, I love lesbians. I love lesbians. But the problem is they don't return the favor. They don't return the favor. I think there's a biological fault here. There's a biological error. But the thing is, for example, if you look at a girl, right? Like, what's your name? Ashwarya, right? For example, if you look at a girl, you can't say she's a lesbian or not. She has to tell you, right? She has to tell you. You can't figure out, right? I was chatting with this girl on Facebook and I said hi, she said hi. She had the misconception that I was hitting on her, which is true. Right? Suddenly she says I'm a lesbo. Like fucking lesbo. Like must be Punjabi lesbian, right? Like had she been Haryanvi lesbian, she would have said I'm a lesbian. So gays are not that fun. But you know, gays are people like, this is a totally male joke, right? Like gays are men who go and get excited in the gents' washroom, right? If you go to a gents' washroom, these guys take position and they start looking left and right. I'm like, dude, dekh kyun raha hai, yaar? Like this is a private moment. Don't fucking look at me. So gays are weird. I also like bisexuals a lot. You know, I recently realized that, you know, bisexuals are feminists. Bisexuals are feminists, okay? I met a bisexual recently. She said, मेरे लिए आदमी और औरत एक समान है. दोनों का समान एक समान है. So bisexuals are feminists. Yeah. I also like transgenders a lot. Yeah. I think transgenders are very motivating as people. Like काफी लोगों को motivate करना चाहते हो. Like I did a show for transgenders and a joke didn't land that well. And they would say like, क्या कमाल का joke है यार. आपको मजा आ रहा है? That this guy is looking very serious. Like some people come to comedy shows like, हाँ ठीक कह रहे हो आप. Like वो jokes में सच ढूंढते रहते हैं. सच नहीं ढूंढना होता है यहाँ पे. But people are searching for truth. You guys, how many of you people have jobs? Give me a cheer. People have jobs. Yeah, try fucking cheering. I know. I know it's hard. Yeah. Ever since COVID, right? There's a lot of conversation in the corporate world about depression and all, right? Mental health, depression. Yeah. Yeah. काफी लोग mental health के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So people here who are depressed, give me a cheer. No, none of you depressed. That's fucking depressing. That's depressing. Like आजकल mental health के बारे में बड़ी बात कर रहे हैं लोग. Like every second or third person is saying मेरी mental health खराब है, मेरी mental health खराब है, मेरी mental health खराब है. Like मेरी mental health ये सोच के खराब हो रही है कि मेरी mental health ठीक कैसे? Like लोग मान के तैयार नहीं है कि आप खुश हो. Like look at people talking these days. कोई हंस रहा होता है तो लोग पूछ लेते हैं हंस क्यों रहा है यार? But frowns are all over the place, right? It's weird. Like it's difficult. Like I talk about happiness all the time. I've written a book on happiness. I like the idea of happiness. लेकिन बड़ा मुश्किल है. The other day I told my boss in the morning, good morning. And she's like, what's good about the morning? It's so fucked up. Like people are addicted to depression. Like मेरी एक दोस्त है Facebook पे बड़ी sad post डालती रहती है. तो मैं उसको देख के इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया थोड़ा सा. The other day I was coming and I walked out of the house and मेरे को एक बच्चा दिखा, वो हंस रहा था. मेरे को थप्पड़ मार दिया. उसके बाद वो रोना शुरू हो गया. तो उसकी फोटो मैंने उसको भेज दी. She was very happy that day. The people are addicted to the idea of depression, right? The thing is, for example, I had a tough childhood, right? So I've seen a lot of people going to psychiatrists, for example, right? And the thing is, my childhood sucked. At one point, I tried to commit suicide. तो मैं pesticide की bottle पी गया. लेकिन मम्मी ने उसने रसना भरा था, मैं मरा नहीं. फिर मैंने पंखे से लटकने की कोशिश की तो पंखा गिर गया. It was a hard childhood. Like one of the things that made my childhood really difficult was mathematics. You know, I hated mathematics. You know, like my maths teacher was a voyeur. एक बार स्कूल में मेरे जीरो आए, जिसके भी जीरो आए स्कूल में, उसने शर्ट उतरवा के स्कूल में चक्कर लगवाया. Like बेइज्जती was still okay, but how does it make you better at mathematics? A lot of people are going to therapists these days. आजकल काफी लोग therapist के पास जा रहे हैं. The only kind of therapist I like is the spa therapist. Yeah, you know what a deep tissue massage is? We take a tissue paper and stick it deep inside your ass till you are done. Yeah, a lot of people go to psychiatrists these days. Like a lot of people are going to psychiatrists, and they think the psychiatrist will cure their life. Huh? उनके पास जाते हैं. Have you ever seen a happy psychiatrist? You know, you go to psychiatry and these guys look like they can commit suicide anytime. You know, these guys look like, I remember going to a psychiatrist के सामने हम बैठे and this guy like looks at me and say like, बताइए बताइए क्या सब्जी लेने हो यार. Go to a psychiatrist, they give you something called a sedative. A sedative is a sleep inducing medicine जो आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम से डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है, राइट? जब आपके सेडेटिव खत्म होंगे तो अपनी बीवी का गला तो खुद दबाना पड़ेगा ना. लाइक यू हैव टू किल योर बॉस योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो sedatives don't cure life. आप ऐसे ही सुनते हो सब कुछ या फिर आप गुस्से में देख रहे हो मुझे? अच्छा, यू जस्ट एंजॉयिंग योरसेल्फ. शी इज लाइक इट्स वेरी लाइक शी इज गिविंग मी टेंशन. इज लाइक ओके, इट्स हार्ड. यू सी ऐसे लोगों को एंग्जाइटी हो जाती है आजकल. Yeah, a lot of people these days are saying they have anxiety. A lot of people 10 साल पहले कोई नहीं कहता था they have anxiety. A lot of people these are saying they have anxiety. I have anxiety, you know, which is weird, right? A lot of people are saying. And I'm like, saying I have anxiety is like saying I have an ass. Like it's a feature of life, right? So saying I have anxiety is like saying I have an ass, but I don't know what to do with it, right? You need to figure out what to do with your ass. Similarly, you need to figure out what to do with anxiety. He said doing jokes on depression is hard. You realize this? Did you guys watch the movie Joker? Joker kills the guy, Murray, right? And he tells you this is what you fucking deserve. So when people get serious about my jokes on depression, I tell them, this is what you fucking deserve. Yeah. But I love comedy because only in comedy I can make these jokes. You guys watch comedy on YouTube, I'm sure everybody does, right? You guys realize that most of the comedy that happens in India happens in Hindi, right? Like I'm an English comedian mostly. That is one of the reasons I and Shashi Tharoor have been struggling for a bit. लोग हमें समझ नहीं पा रहे. You know, Shashi Tharoor's English is so good. I love it. Like Shashi Tharoor's English is so good that he's alleged not to have murdered his wife. He's alleged to have manslaughtered her. His English is that good. Yeah. But I love English, right? I like to express things in English. Huh, Mona Lisa? You can get done and you can start after that. Yeah? See, largely I'll tell you, there are two kinds of problems in English. Okay, there are problems of good English and there are problems of bad English. Okay? Like I have this from Rajvi is a Haranvi. Okay? And fell in love with a girl. He's like, मुझे उसको propose करना, मैंने कहा, go and tell her I love you from the bottom of my heart. Okay? Rajvi, remember this shit. Right? By the time he reaches Rajvanti, he's lost the plot. He goes to Rajvanti and says, Rajvanti, I love you from the heart of my bottom. And Rajvanti is like, oh my god, same to you. So they're married now. Yeah? On the other side, there are problems of good English, which happens largely in the corporate world. Like people like to show it off, right? Like the other day I was doing a show, I was chatting to this guy, and I asked him, dude, are you coming to the show? This guy replies, affirmative. Fuck affirmative. He could have said yes. I'm like, fine, gratitude. Okay, and then that guy doesn't turn up to the show. I'm writing on the channel, you dishonest, dubious person. And then he replies, chuti hai kya? I'm like, dude, who started this shit? Like, Indians fuck up English in so many ways, right? For example, if you ask anyone, where did they study? Indians would say, I passed out from a certain college, right? That's the problem with the Indian education system. Globally, when people go to colleges, they graduate. Yeah? Indians fucking go to colleges and they pass out. Everybody's passing out. My friend met this guy for an arranged marriage meeting, okay? And she's like, which college did you go to? The guy's like, I passed out from Rajdhani. She's like, oh really? I passed out in Shatabdi. It's fucked up, right? People fuck up English, right? I was in a cab the other day, okay? And the cabbie said, there's a foot over bridge in Gurgaon, right? You understand what a foot over bridge is? Like you walk and go to the other side. Okay, and this guy is like, sir, आपको ये flyover पे छोड़ दूँ? तो मैं समझ गया, मैं ठीक है छोड़ दे. But the next day I had an argument with another cabbie, right? And he's like, सर आपको flyover पे छोड़ दूँ? मैंने कहा ठीक है छोड़ दे. I thought he meant the foot over bridge. साले ने हाईवे के बीच में छोड़ दिया. I'm like growing old now. Like basically, I'm growing now. Like I recently turned 42. Yeah, people don't believe it. Like the other day, met my friend. I met his wife for the first time. He tells his wife, "ये अमर है, इसकी एज गेस करो." अब वो औरत मुझे देख रही है ऊपर से नीचे. Okay. The problem is her name is Savita, right? So she was looking at me up and down. After 5 minutes of that happening, I had to tell her, Savita bhabhi band karo. That's what I like about comedy in India. Savita bhabhi jokes always work, right? See, I'll tell you on that note what women want, right? You know, this is a note for like you are married and you guys are dating, right? तुम लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं लाइफ में वैसे. तुमको देख के लगता कुछ पता नहीं. So I'll tell you what women want, right? So basically, I had this property. People who travel by train, give me a cheer. Like you guys, rest of you are rich. Like हमें नहीं पता ट्रेन क्या होता है, right? Like if you travel by train, you would have seen those acts. चर्म रोग, शीघ्र पतन, गुप्त रोग. You've seen those acts, right? So I had this problem of शीघ्र पतन some time back. शीघ्र पतन means premature ejaculation, right? So my girlfriend at that point was quite disturbed. So she took me to a sexologist. Okay, her name is Dr. Savita. And he's sitting in front of Dr. Savita Bhabhi and she asked, क्या समस्या है? And it's very embarrassing all time. Dr. शीघ्र पतन की समस्या है. And then she asked a life-changing question. She said, कितना शीघ्र? My girlfriend at that point shouted at the top of her voice, Dr. Ati शीघ्र. That was the last time I saw that girl. But I'll tell you this thing, okay? That's the problem. This is the problem. That women assume that we men have control over when patan happens. Women assume where we men have control over when patan happens. So the opposite of Shigra Patan is Der Patan. Some guy came to the show someday said Dirgha Patan. Alright? So the opposite of Shigra Patan is Dirgha Patan. So women don't want Shigra Patan. Women don't want Dirgha Patan. What women want is Patan on demand. I just solved for you guys what women want, right? I think I have a minute left, right? So I'll do one last joke. See, you guys realize that anything that you say, right, before the word anyway, anything that you say before the word anyway gets negated. Anyway से पहले हम कुछ भी कहते हैं, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं रह जाता. Right? Like Mona Lisa is so beautiful. I've been looking at you since I came here. You're so fucking beautiful and pretty. Anyway.